Welcome to Paulo's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook San Jacobos. It's a Spanish dish. It's made for ham and mozzarella cheese. Usually San Jacobos is eaten for lunch or dinner and is a side dish. Well, you require the next ingredients: 4 thick slices of ham, 2 mozzarella cheese slices, stale bread, oil with flour, and 1 egg. This recipe is for 1 person with 2 portions. If you need more portions, you increase the amount. Okay, first, you whisk the egg. Okay? Okay, ready? Then unite the ham and mozzarella cheese. Okay. As a sandwich. Can you see? Okay. Remember, the mozzarella cheese goes in the middle. After you soak the San Jacobos in the egg. And spread with flour. Okay, and stale bread on both sides. Okay, that's what we call San Jacobos. Well, now we are going to kitchen. It's time to fry. You put enough oil into a pan and put the San Jacobos to fry. Once the San Jacobo is fried, it's time to eat and delight. That's it. It's very easy and yummy. Bon appetit. Well, I'll see you soon for another recipe here in Paulo's Kitchen. Goodbye.